Guys, wow. So, galing ako ng bayan, guys. Bumili ako ng mga butterfly. And ito na yung ating gown na ginawa ni Mami Yo. Tapos, bumili din ako ng feather. Risi, show the feather, dali. Yan, bumili din ako ng feather, guys. Kasi ito talaga yung gustong-gusto ko. Ilalagay ko yan sa ano. Yung feather lang, Risi. Feather lang. Dali, show the feather. Yan.
Show the feather.
Yan, yung feather, ilalagay ko siya sa kapa. So, yun guys. Wait nyo lang guys,
Let's subscribe!
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Mommy, I can't eat the blue.
Okay. Careful with your...
Linky Uruga.
Miss Olas.
Miss Alas.
Smile ate, ha?
What?
Guys. And we're ready now. So, tapos na yung gown ni ate. Ay. Wala akong tripod eh. Wait lang anak. This is for the back. Wait, hindi. Gagawin. Yan.
Where's my butterfly?
Wala, tinanggal ko kasi it remove eh. It remove.
Your butterflies are beautiful.
It's remove. I-remove na ate. It's not cool. It fall down. Everything drop. That's why I put it now.
What did you give?
Huh?
Where did you give the butterfly?
What butterfly?
Butterfly with the dress.
Congratulations, baby. Baby Gingging.
Kaklose ko itong back mo.
Congratulations.
Congrats, ate. Yes, Olas. Huwag mo daganan pa ha. Naka-charge siya, no? Mahuhulog yung cellphone ko. Huwag mo daganan.
Oo nga. Anong pinanalo ni
Miss Olas.
Miss Ula?
Olas?
Miss Olas.
Miss siya ng kanilang school.
Ha?
Miss Olas. Miss Our Lady of Angel.
Miss Ula.
Olas!
Oo.
Di ba Olas yan?
Oo nga. Miss Olas. Okay naman. Very good. Congratulations for being a winner of Miss Olas.
Is it done?
Wait lang.
Can I put this in the back?
Pwede pa ko na. Doon ka, hindi. Turn dito lang. Kasi ayusin ko yung babae.
Daddy, come down.
Ano yung nagtahi na si mama mo lang?
Oo.
Ayak na tumahay ng pang miss.
Itong gown na to, galing sa ukay.
Okay.
Binili ko 500. Tapos ito, ginawa niya.
Agawa na lang.
Yan yung raffles. Tapos ito, pinagawa ko din.
Ah,
Tapos nilagyan ko na lang ng mga design. Kasi ito, nilagyan ko din ng burda.
mm,
Is he looking at me? What, you fly?
oh, there, baby red.
I have to too.
Baby
maglalaro na. O, masisira yung hair mo.
Ano yun? Paparada pa.
Bukas.
Bukas na. Ano, dyan lang sa oras.
Ha?
Dyan lang sa oras.
Hindi, lalabas doon
Ate,
sa
go
Rockville.
upstairs na,
Papunta
ate.
ng
Ate,
Rockville.
go upstairs, ate.
Papunta ng Rockville. Tapos doon sa may
Ate,
Remerville.
go upstairs, ate. Go upstairs.
Iikot dito.
Iikot dito. Akin na, akin na. I can, ano.
Ate, go upstairs, ate. Go upstairs.
Yan. Ganyan, nandiyan. Yung diaper mo, sabi ko itapon mo eh. Oh. Teka, kakabit natin to. Teka lang, teka. Kakabit natin to kasi baka malaglag.
Ate, go upstairs, ate.
Yan, go upstairs. Bakit?
Because daddy was here.
Hindi, mahirap umakyat yan. Daddy will go down. Go down si Daddy.
But daddy's so slow.
Eh, nag-ano pa si Daddy sa CR, di ba?
Daddy is looking for daddy's dress.
Hmm? Kaya talaga.
Daddy, tumba, daddy.
Sa anong grade lang yan?
Ha? Wow. Ano lahat?
Lahat?
Lahat.
Was the potter by the tumba,
Di ba grade 1 lang siya?
Oo. Siya yung nanalo sa lahat.
Siya?
Siya nanalo sa lahat.
Tumba, daddy.
Galing naman. Mga judge. Mga teacher, mga judge.
Mm-mm.
Mr. Potter by the
Ila. Wala, hindi. Ang hirap. Baka sa camera ate, oh. Ayan, oh. Wait, not yet. Ayun, look down. Look down. Yung eyes lang, naku, yan, may napunta. Look down nga, may napunta na dun sa ano. Napunta. Iya, ano ba yung sisirain mo ba yan? Sisirain mo ba? Huwag mo sirain. Huwag mo sisirain. Ang hirap. Wow. Nice one. Look at me muna. Oh, ang ganda oh. Dati tira mo. Oh, yung ano niya oh.
Once again, a round of applause to our astonishing ladies. Thank you so much to our dear princesses. Your performances were indeed spectacular. May we call our dear parent, Mrs. Carmina Joy Aron, as well as Mr. and Mrs. Rodel and Arlene G. Organ to do the honor of crowning, please. May we also request our Honorable Father Edgar on the stage, assisted by Miss Carmela and Miss Mary Lou.
All true love start to remain till we see the light of God today. Pray the Lord God's best bearers, establish for God's glorious reign. Distinguish as some most equal beautiful, given of Franciscan guiding principles. Advocate of peace, peace and justice. Witness to creation's integrity, responsive to society's transformation. Always, always harmony and unity. All hail, Our Lady of the Angels, hail. Your banner we raise up high. Gospel witnesses for all to see. Loyal and true to Christ, we live forever.
Finally, we would like to thank everyone who, in one way or another, helped grace this occasion. Once again, thank you very much to our ever-supportive parents. This has been Miss Alira, your MC for today. Pasit bonum and mabuhay tayong lahat. Winners and representatives, please be ready for the recessional.
Yung
more. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Hayden, baby. Yan, nanalo na. Paralo na. Paralo na sa, ano paralo na sa?
Inambit ko kagabi, miss, hindi daw.
Ano po yung happy na? Ulit tayo, girl.
Smile, ate.
They're making funny face.
Smile lang, Katie. Hindi kasi nakatagway lang ano. Wala mo emoji. Alam mo.
They do have a smile suit.
Oh, you wave kayo, ganon, wave. Ganon, practice wave. Yan.
Bye, Aaron.
Yan.
Ow. Where are you going? I like to do this again.
Yeah. With your two hands. Two hands, ganyan. Ganyan, two hands. Hi, everyone.
Bum, bum. Everyone's following us. What?
Mga nagka-cardio. Wala, grabbers sa akin.
You're following! Hey! It's not moving! We're moving!
Hello.
Oh my god, the umbrella is hurting my eye! It's gonna hurt your eye! Oh, that was a song! Well, that was a song, car! Give me the umbrella, it's so hot!
Dali.
I don't need it. I need it!
Oh, no.
Now I'm a shell.
Don't cover the face.
You're a shell. Hey, he did it again.
Yeah. Yung crown mo, yung crown.
I need to see.
Ay,
Go! Give me. Now. You have a toy car? What? He has a toy car. Yes, I saw it. Yeah, I really want a Lamborghini. I really want a Lamborghini. That's the best car. I like to buy a Lamborghini.
What?
I like to buy a Lamborghini. But it's a high cost. I like to buy a Lamborghini. I like to buy a toy motorcycle. A toy motorcycle. I ride a toy car. I think the blue poo puppet. What? The blue poo puppet. My booty cheek puppet. This is going to be Sussy. Superhero.